Steve, congratulations, you're into the final. How does that feel?
Yeah, really pleased. Obviously, last season we managed to get to the Welsh Cup final as well, and we identified that we'd like to do it again this year, and we've been on a good run of late, league and cup. So yeah, really pleased to get into the final and the opportunity to win some silverware, hopefully.
You scored 3 goals in that first half, but Pontypridd didn't make it easy for you in the second half.
No, not at all. I think they changed shape and made it a lot difficult for us, especially on the transition, on the counter-attack. They looked a lot dangerous. Their goalkeeper had a fantastic game, kept the score down. When on other days those chances fall to you and you take them, but credit to them. We obviously knew that they were going to be a good team. They're top of their division at the moment and obviously fighting for promotion back to the Adran Premier.
2 goals for Abbey, a goal for Brooke Keynes as well, but some great crosses from Cara and Jones, and it was a great performance from your team.
Yeah, overall really pleased. I think we dropped off second half, but that's credit to the opposition. They put us under a lot of pressure. When you've got good quality wide players out wide who can put balls into the 2 forwards, and obviously we've got midfielders who like to get in the box to score goals as well, so obviously that's nice for them to be in the right areas at the right time to take their goals. So yeah, really pleased for the girls. Again, it's a good achievement for us, and we're looking forward to the final now.
That's 7 wins in a row for you now in all competitions. Is there a secret behind your improvements in the last couple of months?
No, I can't really put my finger on it, to be honest. I think we knew that we were underperforming, especially when we drew to Cardiff Met early on towards the end of phase 1. We knew we had to be better, and to be fair to the girls, they've took everything on board, and we've worked really hard behind the scenes to make sure that we're putting in better performances, and we've done that, and the results have come off the back of that.
And last question, do you have a preference who you'd like to face in that final?
No, not really. Obviously we've beaten both so far this season. Whoever gets there is going to be a tough opposition. So we'll just hopefully catch the game now on the way back and start preparing ready for that game.
Well, good luck. Diolch.
Diolch.
Craig, a tough afternoon for you against a team in such a good form.
Yeah, it's a very tough draw. As soon as the draw was made, we knew how difficult it was going to be. They're the form side at the moment. I don't think right now we could have had a tougher draw. So it was always a tough game coming into it. I mean, they've beaten Swansea a couple of times, they've beaten TNS, they've beaten Cardiff. So it was never going to be a game where we were going to come and have lots of possession. We knew that. Just disappointing to see such an early goal, and then it was always tough from there. And we haven't got lots of experience in our team. We got a little bit, but not very much, and it was tough then from then on in.
As you said, you've got a very young side.
Yeah.
How do you feel they coped with the occasion?
Yeah, we grew into it. I thought, starting off, I could see in the warm-up we were very nervous and we just weren't quite ourselves. But as it went on, and we did grow into it. Second half, we were much improved. Second half, we showed a bit more fight. We got a bit closer to them, and we did create a bit. I mean, I'm not saying that our keeper wasn't very busy and made some very good saves, in fairness to Millie. But no, I thought we grew into it as it went on, and it's a great learning experience for them today, and hopefully they can take this forward for the future.
And a word on your goalkeeper, she made quite some great saves, and a lot of them.
No, look, she's a very, very good keeper. We're very fortunate to have her. She's had a bit of a tough time with injuries and things, so she's getting her fitness back, and you're always very confident with her that she is making those saves, and very good saves are quite routine for her, in fairness to her.
You'll be concentrating now on your promotion push. What can you learn from playing against a team like Wrecsam? Did they show today the levels you're trying to reach?
Yeah, definitely. We spoke to the girls in the huddle at the end and said that we have got to learn from this. And the girls had said themselves just how sharp Wrecsam were, that little bit fitter, that little bit sharper. They moved the ball really well. And I think they were brave in possession, which we need to learn to do a little bit more, to be fair. So no, we got a real tough one again next week away to Cascade, 2 to finish, and it's all to play for. So we look forward to the rest of the season.
Well, good luck. Diolch.
Thank you very much. Diolch.
Diolch.